Dapat marami kami yun. Unfortunately, in-engine kami ng mga tito. Yun, mahirap pag mga tito kasama. Maraming reasons. The reasons that we're here. Looks like we're gonna encounter a bit of rain today, but that's all part of the fun. Woo! Wow, what an amazing ride, and what an amazing bike, man. Good morning, guys. So, maganda sa akin is nasa highway ako. So, normal sa kanila na makarinig ng exhaust sound kasi, you know, a national road naman to. Maraming mahataw per se. So, ang ride natin today is Kaybiang with sina Ice. So, kikitain natin si Ice sa may MOA area, sa isang Petron doon, sa may Makapagal. Yan. So, patay makina gaming muna tayo kasi sayang nga naman ang gasolina. Ang habol natin today is fuel efficiency. So, pag mga ganito mga matatagal na stop, tigil ka na, sayang yung gas. So we're kinda up to temp na. Pero ang goal natin is tipid style riding, chill style riding in the morning. Mga 3K lang, 3K RPM. So I'll catch back with you guys later. This is actually my first time to ride Kaybiang on a motorcycle. I've done it before on a bike. So sa bike kasi tawag namin sa mga ruta na ganyan is climb. Ngayon dahil nakamotor tayo, tawag sa kanya ay twisties. Pagka mabilis ka and may motor. So let's talk about the quick shifter a little bit. So the first experience I had with the quick shifter, the first tap of the quick shifter, I felt, well, I would say it wasn't that sorted. That's how I would say. It wasn't as sorted as I'd like it to be. But again, I'd simply just pulled the bike out of the showroom and rode it out there. Wala pang isang kilometro, wala pang couple of minutes. So it may be just the gearbox a bit janky because of the temperature. So I made sure to not use the quick shifter at the first 5 minutes of the ride. Make sure I have some temperature on the gearbox before I started using the quick shifter. Tagboy, stiff. So ingat tayo dito mga lods dahil we have a mixture of things that are very slippery. That's the sand and also these metal strips. The last thing you want to do is slide in EDSA and get run over. So one thing that I don't like about the Aprilia is this big chunk of control. It's like, it's very hard to reach, like my thumb. I really have to loosen the grip. I have to loosen the grip on my left hand so I can reach the buttons. Which in other bikes, especially when reaching for the horn, you can maintain a good four-finger grip and still be able to depress the horn. Yeah, so ganyan. I'm clutched in, I can't reach the horn. That's a difficulty, no? Especially in an emergency situation where you'd like to have your horn. It's like Aprilia's telling you, don't use the horn, pare. Use the V4. Sing the sound of your people. So, at the moment, it's 97 degrees. And I can tell you, it's getting pretty toasty. So, ang init. Alright, so, lupit no? There's like a big Nissan contingent. So, those are the Nissan models available today. So, that's, I think, the NV350, the Terra, electric powered Leafs. That, I'm not sure. I think that's a Leaf as well. No, it's not. It's a different tail light unit. Maybe the X-Trail. Not entirely sure. But, yeah, 2 Leafs. They even have a GDR. So, quite the lineup for oh, they also have this the new Navara. What's up guys? So kasama natin si Boss Yais. So yun si Boss Yais, naka-Dominar siya. Dapat marami kami ngayon. Unfortunately, ninjan kami ng mga tito. Yun, mahirap pag mga tito kasama. Maraming reasons. The reasons that we're here. So yun, route namin is Cavite ang dulo hanggang Kawit. Tapos dire-diretso na yun, some road, then labas Governor's Drive. At nagpatay ako ng makina, medyo mainit nung ginagawa ko sarili ko. 105 now. Ooh, it's a bit slick. It's a bit wet here in the Cavite. Looks like we're gonna encounter a bit of rain today, but that's all part of the fun. Woo! Like, I'm getting wet, and it's not where I want to get wet. It's right at my butt crack. So meron akong gap dun sa jacket ko and dun sa pants. And currently the tail situation is not making it any better for my ass. So yeah, getting real wet now. Backsplash. And also itong mist coming from the wheel wells ng mga kotse. And this is not like okay water. Like this is something that you don't want to have in your mouth. Hopefully it doesn't get any worse. I'm definitely gonna need a wash tomorrow. That's for sure. Just Italian sport bike things. So we're getting a lot of smoke. That's from the water. It's on the radiator, and the radiator's at boiling point. So it's natural that the water steams out. We're getting some steam there. And the fans have kicked in, and all that warmth is headed to me. Oh my lord. What a weird feeling to ride this way. It's not raining, but the roads are really wet. Look, there's a rainbow. I hope you guys can see it, but that's a huge rainbow. So hopefully wala masyadong traffic, no? So I've only passed by this road in a car once. I was to get the Royal Enfield Classic 500 from Kawit. I would say this is very scenic. It's very short nga lang, I mean, compared to the north and stuff. So just like that, we're at the end of the road. It's Kawit. It's raining. I was just about to like clean up my tires. It's raining. It's okay. Sama yun sa ride. I mean, makes it more of an adventure. So may mga butas-butas dito sa area na to. Just be mindful. Sanay na tayo, road bike eh. Pagka road bike naman, mababa eh. Actually, yung ibang mga tinatawag nilang naked bike, mataas talaga, medyo ganyan. Pero ito kasi, wala talaga silang binago, pinalitan lang nila yung handlebar. Pero yung pinaka-taas ng upuan mo, yung layo mo, yung pinaka-sport bike pa rin yung ginaya nila. Mas komportable yung Ducati kaysa dito. Medyo kinabahan tayo doon para tayong pinipigil. So at the moment, I think we're at Gen 3. So the raindrops are getting very big. Damn this traffic, man. I'm gonna just turn off the engine. So that's working smart, no? Instead of him repeating what he says, he just has this megaphone on repeat. Okay, so I've lost 2 bars. My wallet is getting wet. I should change my placement of the wallet. The rain is getting stronger, and my battery is probably at like half. Wow, this is really bad traffic. I really wish we left earlier. So yeah, we are definitely in General Trias because that's Robinson's place, General Trias. The ice is over there. Ayun guys, so traffic update. Layo ng traffic. Andiyan lang siya sa harap ng kotse. We started with a clean bike, like legit showroom fresh. Now it's all kinds of muddy all over the swing arm, the exhaust, of course this area. Not too bad, not too bad. But yeah, the rear. And I bet my ass looks terrible because you know all of that shit. What's happening? So bad. Alright, so we finally started moving. Yeah, it's again, it's right in front of us. I think it's this intersection ng malala. Dire-diretso. Ito na yung pinaka-bottleneck. Mainit. Mainit. Pinapatay ko. Kanina pinatay ko. Noong na-traffic, pinatay ko. Oo, relax yan kasi nasa harap lahat na exhaust. Ako may exhaust ako dito sa may panan ko eh. Doon pala yung nagahan pa lahat yung ride natin. Yeah, so not so fun in this area, no? What's up guys? So we're back. Kasama na nga pala natin si Ice Biker Dude. Check him out on YouTube. So kasama ko siya magbike lagi. Ngayon nahilig kami sa motor. Punta kami ng Kaybiang. Malapit na kami sa Kaybiang. Ito na yung twisties. Kaya binalik ko na yung camera ko. Binalik ko na yung audio setup ko. Medyo inulan kami. Kitang kita mo naman. Medyo basang-basa kami. Naka-camera din si Boss Ice kanina. Eh tinawad na siyang ibalik. So ako na lang. So hopefully maganda yung audio. Mukha na maganda yung panahon doon. Alright, here we go. Beautiful. Wow. Wow, what an amazing ride. And what an amazing bike, man. Yeah, so hopefully my GoPro is still working. Alright, so baba tayo konti para lang meron tayo mas picturesque na spot. Enjoy na rin natin yung kalsada dito. So right now I can already see the sea. Yun. So narating namin tong, hindi ko sure kung anong lugar to. May cove, tawag nilang cove dyan sa Google Maps. Pero siguro mga 2 minutes, 3 minutes away from Kaybiang Tunnel, baba ka pa onte. Tapos ito yung pangalawang viewing deck. May ganito na. Dati walang ganito. Talagang graba lang siya. Tapos yung bato na yan, nandyan na yan. Or nilipat yung bato na yan. Pero tatayuan namin yung bato na yan. Tapos hahawakan namin yung bike namin nakataas. So mga trip ng mga siklista, nakakamiss. Pero hindi nakakamiss yung sakit ng katawan pagka pumunta ka dito. Noon nag-ride kami galing Tagaytay, pumunta kami Tali Beach, tapos umuwi kami ng Manila. Pagka uwi ko, may lagnat na ako. Sama nun. So ang fuel consumption nitong Aprilia at the moment, nakakalahating tangke na ako. Ito, Lolo Claro. Diyan, pwede ata tayo mamarada dyan. Sarap dito yung lechon kawali silog. Ayun guys, hello again. So nandito tayo sa Lolo Claros. Kumain na kami, tapos na kami kumain. Actually, alis na kami. Pero napakasarap ng lechon kawali silog dito sa Lolo Claros. Hindi ko alam kung may Petron na dyan before, pero ito ay nasa lugar ng Maragondon. That is towards Kaybiang. That's towards Naik, Tanza, and Manila. So dumi-dumi, pero okay lang. Masaya naman.